Welcome back to Power Tool Review, where I bring you the latest gear worth adding to your workshop. Today, I'm diving into 18 new Milwaukee tools on Amazon you should buy now in 2026, featuring innovative designs, powerful performance, and smart upgrades for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you need more torque, better cutting precision, or longer battery life, this lineup has something impressive waiting for you. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Milwaukee Battery Lawn Edger. If you're looking for cleaner landscape lines without dealing with cords or gas engines, this battery-powered lawn edger deserves attention. I appreciate how it combines portability with impressive cutting strength, making sidewalks, driveways, and flower beds look professionally maintained. The lightweight construction reduces fatigue during extended sessions, while the ergonomic grip provides better control around curves and tight spaces. A durable blade slices through stubborn grass with ease, creating crisp edges that instantly improve curb appeal. Battery compatibility with other compatible tools adds convenience for users already invested in the platform. Whether maintaining residential lawns or larger properties, this edger offers dependable performance, quieter operation, and less maintenance than traditional gas-powered alternatives, while consistently delivering clean, attractive landscaping results every season. Cordless high-pressure grease. Keeping heavy equipment lubricated becomes far easier with this cordless high-pressure grease tool. I like how it eliminates manual pumping while delivering consistent grease flow exactly where it's needed. The powerful motor generates impressive pressure for stubborn fittings, reducing downtime and improving maintenance efficiency. A comfortable handle and balanced design make extended use less tiring, even when servicing multiple machines. Its cordless operation provides excellent mobility around garages, workshops, and job sites without tangled hoses or power cords. The transparent grease reservoir helps monitor remaining lubricant, preventing unexpected interruptions during work. Whether maintaining construction equipment, agricultural machinery, or automotive components, this tool simplifies routine lubrication tasks while helping protect valuable moving parts from unnecessary wear and extending service life significantly. Brushless Oscillating Multi-Tool. Versatility is what makes this brushless oscillating multi-tool such a valuable addition to any toolbox. I can switch between cutting, sanding, scraping, and detail work without needing several separate tools cluttering the workspace. The brushless motor provides better efficiency, longer runtime, and reliable performance under demanding conditions. Variable speed settings allow greater precision across different materials, from wood and drywall to metal and plastic. Quick accessory changes reduce downtime and keep projects moving smoothly. The compact body reaches awkward corners where larger equipment struggles, making remodeling and repair tasks much easier. Whether tackling home renovations or professional installations, this multi-tool delivers dependable power, flexible functionality, and clean results while maximizing productivity every single project. High-torque impact wrench. Removing stubborn fasteners becomes dramatically easier with this high-torque impact wrench. I appreciate the combination of raw power and controlled performance that makes heavy-duty jobs less frustrating. Designed for demanding applications, it delivers enough force to loosen rusted bolts while maintaining excellent handling and balance. Multiple speed modes provide flexibility for delicate fastening or maximum torque situations. The cordless design increases mobility around workshops and outdoor projects, eliminating restrictive cables. An ergonomic grip minimizes hand strain during prolonged use, while durable construction withstands harsh environments. Whether servicing vehicles, assembling steel structures, or maintaining industrial equipment, this impact wrench offers dependable strength and precision that saves valuable time while reducing physical effort on every challenging fastening task. Ultra Torque Impact Wrench. For users needing maximum fastening performance, the Ultra Torque Impact Wrench raises the bar significantly. I find its impressive output especially useful when dealing with oversized bolts, heavy machinery, or demanding repair situations. Advanced motor technology produces exceptional torque while maintaining consistent operation under load. Intelligent speed controls help prevent over-tightening and improve overall accuracy during installation.
The compact profile remains surprisingly manageable despite its substantial power, making overhead work more comfortable. Durable housing protects internal components from dust and accidental impacts commonly encountered on busy job sites. Whether maintaining commercial fleets or handling industrial construction projects, this wrench delivers professional-grade reliability, remarkable efficiency, and the confidence to tackle challenging fastening applications with outstanding results every day. Multifunction oscillating tool. A true multitasker belongs in every serious workshop, and this multifunction oscillating tool fits that role perfectly. I enjoy how quickly it adapts between plunge cuts, grout removal, sanding, scraping, and finishing without requiring bulky specialized equipment. Adjustable speed settings improve control across delicate surfaces and tougher materials alike. Its compact design reaches confined areas where traditional saws cannot operate effectively, expanding project possibilities. Quick blade changes minimize interruptions, allowing continuous workflow during renovations or repairs. The ergonomic handle promotes comfortable extended operation while reducing vibration for improved accuracy. Whether working on flooring, cabinetry, drywall, or trim installation, this versatile tool delivers dependable performance, professional precision, and practical convenience that helps complete countless tasks efficiently every single time.
High-pressure grease gun tool. Routine equipment maintenance becomes faster and cleaner with this high-pressure grease gun tool. I appreciate the consistent delivery system that reduces wasted lubricant while ensuring bearings and joints receive proper protection. The powerful mechanism pushes grease through clogged fittings with minimal effort, saving valuable time during servicing. Cordless freedom allows movement around vehicles and machinery without dragging hoses across busy workspaces. An ergonomic trigger design improves comfort when performing repetitive lubrication tasks throughout the day. Built with durability in mind, the housing withstands demanding environments and frequent transportation between jobs. Whether maintaining farm equipment, trailers, industrial machines, or automotive components, this grease gun provides dependable operation that promotes smoother performance and extends equipment longevity through reliable lubrication. Electric high-pressure greaser. This electric high-pressure greaser transforms tedious lubrication into a far more efficient process. I like how the motorized operation removes the physical strain associated with traditional manual grease guns while maintaining precise control. High-pressure output reaches difficult fittings and stubborn lubrication points with consistent performance. A thoughtfully designed grip enhances comfort, making extended maintenance sessions easier to manage. Battery-powered convenience allows unrestricted movement around large equipment without searching for nearby outlets or compressors. The durable construction withstands workshop conditions while supporting regular professional use. Whether servicing construction machinery, agricultural vehicles, manufacturing equipment, or fleet maintenance operations, this greaser delivers dependable lubrication quickly, reducing downtime and helping mechanical components operate smoothly for extended periods with minimal complexities. Oscillating function tool. Flexibility and precision define this oscillating function tool, making it suitable for countless repair and remodeling projects. I appreciate its ability to handle detailed cutting, sanding, scraping, and trimming tasks with impressive accuracy. The compact profile easily reaches corners and confined spaces where conventional tools struggle. Variable speed adjustments provide better material control, reducing mistakes while improving finish quality. Changing accessories remains quick and straightforward, minimizing delays between project stages. Comfortable ergonomics reduce vibration and hand fatigue during longer sessions, helping maintain accuracy throughout demanding workdays. Whether restoring furniture, installing flooring, cutting drywall openings, or completing detailed finishing work, this versatile tool combines dependable performance with practical convenience, making everyday tasks simpler and significantly more efficient overall. Cordless grass string trimmer. Maintaining clean outdoor spaces becomes easier with this cordless grass string trimmer. I enjoy the freedom of battery-powered operation because it eliminates fuel mixing, extension cords, and unnecessary maintenance hassles. The lightweight design improves maneuverability around fences, trees, and landscaping features while reducing user fatigue. Adjustable shaft positioning accommodates different heights for greater comfort throughout longer trimming sessions. Strong cutting performance tackles thick grass and stubborn weeds with impressive consistency, helping create neat property edges quickly. Quiet operation also makes it more pleasant for residential use without sacrificing effectiveness.
Whether touching up small gardens or maintaining larger outdoor areas, this trimmer combines portability, dependable runtime, and practical features that simplify routine yard care while delivering professional-looking results every use.
Mid-torque impact wrench. Balancing portability with performance, this mid-torque impact wrench offers impressive versatility for everyday fastening tasks. I find it powerful enough for automotive repairs and equipment maintenance while remaining compact enough for tighter working environments. Multiple power settings improve control across different applications, preventing unnecessary over-tightening on sensitive components on workplace seating. The cordless design supports unrestricted movement around garages, workshops, and job sites without cumbersome cables. An ergonomic handle enhances comfort and reduces fatigue during repetitive use, while rugged construction withstands demanding professional conditions. Whether rotating tires, assembling equipment, or completing maintenance projects, this impact wrench delivers dependable torque, practical convenience, and excellent maneuverability that helps users work faster while maintaining precision and confidence throughout every repair. Pressure grease gun tool. Keeping moving parts properly lubricated becomes straightforward with this pressure grease gun tool. I appreciate how its efficient pumping system delivers grease consistently, even when dealing with resistant fittings or challenging maintenance situations. Cordless portability increases flexibility around vehicles and industrial equipment without relying on external air sources or cumbersome hoses. The ergonomic grip improves handling during prolonged use, helping reduce strain while servicing multiple machines. Durable construction supports demanding workshop environments and regular transportation between projects. A carefully designed reservoir allows easy monitoring of lubricant levels, minimizing interruptions. Whether maintaining agricultural equipment, trailers, manufacturing systems, or construction machinery, this grease gun promotes smoother operation, extends component life, and simplifies preventative maintenance with dependable performance every time. Brushless cordless angle grinder. Grinding and cutting tasks demand power, precision, and reliability, and this brushless cordless angle grinder delivers all three. I like its efficient brushless motor because it offers extended runtime while reducing maintenance requirements over the tool's lifespan. Cordless mobility allows unrestricted operation across workshops and outdoor projects without searching for nearby power outlets. The slim grip improves handling, making detailed cutting and grinding more comfortable during extended sessions. Safety features enhance user confidence while maintaining impressive performance across metal fabrication, masonry, and construction tasks. Durable housing protects internal components from debris and accidental impacts common on demanding sites. Whether removing rust, cutting steel, or smoothing welds, this grinder consistently provides professional results with outstanding versatility and dependable everyday operation. Cordless 3-in-1 trimmer. Versatility makes this cordless 3-in-1 trimmer particularly appealing for homeowners and professionals alike. I enjoy switching between trimming, edging, and light brush clearing without hauling multiple specialized machines around the property. The battery-powered design eliminates fuel hassles while providing impressive mobility across larger outdoor spaces. Adjustable handles and shaft positioning create a more comfortable working experience for users of different heights. Strong cutting performance handles overgrown grass and stubborn vegetation with dependable consistency, leaving cleaner finishes throughout landscaped areas. Quick mode changes improve efficiency by reducing downtime between tasks. Whether maintaining gardens, pathways, or fence lines, this multifunction tool combines convenience, practical design, and reliable performance that simplifies routine yard maintenance while delivering polished results season after season.
High-power impact driver. Fastening long screws and stubborn hardware becomes effortless with this high-power impact driver. I appreciate its compact body because it reaches confined spaces while still producing impressive rotational force for demanding applications. Variable speed triggers improve precision when working with delicate materials, reducing stripping or over-tightening concerns. The cordless configuration increases mobility and eliminates extension cord limitations across busy job sites. Comfortable grip design minimizes fatigue during repetitive fastening tasks, making larger projects easier to complete. Built for durability, the housing withstands tough workshop conditions and everyday professional use. Whether assembling furniture, installing decking, framing structures, or completing renovation work, this impact driver combines power, portability, and dependable control to help finish projects faster with consistently outstanding results. M18 high-capacity battery. Reliable power is the foundation of every cordless tool setup, and the M18 high-capacity battery delivers exactly that. I like how it provides extended runtime for demanding projects, reducing interruptions caused by constant battery swaps. Advanced cell technology helps maintain consistent output even under heavy loads, allowing compatible tools to perform at their best from start to finish. The rugged outer housing protects against job site impacts and harsh working conditions while promoting long-term durability. Fast charging compatibility means less waiting and more productivity throughout the day. Whether powering drills, grinders, saws, or outdoor equipment, this battery offers dependable energy that supports both professionals and dedicated DIY users. It is an excellent upgrade for anyone seeking longer operation, better efficiency, and reliable cordless performance every single day.
Magnetic Impact Bit Holder. Small accessories can make a huge difference, and this magnetic impact bit holder proves that perfectly. I appreciate how the powerful magnet keeps driver bits securely in place, reducing frustrating drops and improving efficiency during repetitive fastening tasks. Its durable construction is designed to withstand the high torque generated by modern impact drivers while maintaining dependable performance over time. The compact design allows access to tight spaces without adding unnecessary bulk to the tool. Quick bit changes save valuable seconds on every project, especially when switching between multiple fastener types. Whether assembling cabinets, building decks, installing drywall, or handling repair work, this accessory enhances productivity and convenience while helping maintain better control. It is a practical addition that delivers impressive value for everyday use. Heavy-duty impact wrench. Rounding out the list is the heavy-duty impact wrench, a powerhouse built for demanding fastening applications where maximum strength matters most above all. I like its combination of impressive torque, rugged durability, and user-friendly handling that inspires confidence during challenging jobs. Multiple operating modes provide flexibility for both installation and removal tasks while improving precision across different materials. The cordless platform allows unrestricted movement around workshops, garages, and outdoor projects without cable limitations. An ergonomic grip reduces fatigue, making extended operation more comfortable during busy workdays. Designed to tackle stubborn bolts on heavy equipment, automotive repairs, and construction projects, this impact wrench consistently delivers reliable performance. It stands as an excellent investment for anyone needing dependable power, durability, and professional-level fastening capability.
Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Thanks for watching Power Tool Review and spending your time with me today. I hope this roundup helped you discover the perfect tools to upgrade your workshop. Let me know which one impressed you the most in the comments, and stay tuned for more exciting product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides coming soon.